If you need help making a new friend, this is how you do it. First, you can introduce yourself, walk up to the person you want to talk to, and tell them who you are. Second, you can start a conversation with the person. A simple hi can get a million conversations going. Third, you can share common interests with the person. You can ask them what type of sports they like, see what you guys have in common, and ask them what type of food they like. Fourth, you can exchange info with the person. Share information so you guys can talk outside.
We'll go. Go, hurry up.
Fifth, you guys can plan to hang out.